Yeah, whoever has the 318 number just needs to die.
I mean,
I condone violence.
I condone it.
I'm not gonna. Okay, I got this like other number, but it was 940. I got called at 1:40 in the morning, asking for Alicia. Some black guys asking for Alicia. I'm like, no. I guess I got the wrong number. I suppose you did. And he called me back again.
Alicia?
You there? You got the wrong number again. Do I sound like Alicia?
Oh, Alicia.
Do I sound like Alicia?
Not this size. What size is it? Are you? Well, like that.
30 seconds.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, slow and steady. Oh, there's a collision, and the other one petered out. Back and out of space. He just walked in the side here with that sad look upon his face. Should have changed the stupid life. Should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second, you'd be back. Go on now, go. Walk out. I'm gonna stop now. Oh.
No.
Terrorist.
I know where it is. Cars will run for like 3 seconds.
My brother got one of those,
And they explode.
and he did that with a fart.
He did what?
He farted into one of those.
That's awesome.
Since I started to create my brother, and he got one too. Gross. I shit my hand.
You ready to go to the school?
Yeah, he's stupid though.
I did not even know that. Didn't your brother hit you off the stuff that you killed? Oh yeah, we were talking about that.
Yep, those lovely jokes.
What now? Big baby joke.
Tom and Jerry for a moment.
Tom and
Jerry.
Tom and Jerry.
Well, I offered it.
You can make a big look to it. Why not? That's all people find them. They're all like, oh, you can reconnect people from high school. I'm like, I hear people in high school with. I think, not for safety, but I'm not doing that. Okay, next.
We're gonna take our side a little bit.
Hey, where?
Are you having fun, Cam?
You're not allowed to have students until they graduate.
I took off down the runway. I had to go land at the runway again. That's when you know you're an ROTC. Yeah. So you find your ROTC kid. Y'all are so judgmental.
Okay. Yes, we are. Welcome to high school.
I hate high school. It blows. Check the proper loud time. Includes goggles.
Oh, I get
Loud.
it now. Oh my gosh, I get it now.
Oh, geez.
I get it now. Oh. Do you understand the blind one? Once there's like safety goggles, you can read the braille.
Wait, where's that at?
I don't know. It's in most classes. Oh, I know that much. You understand that one?
Yes.
You kidding? Are you making this? You think most students take 3 years to get that?
Because most students are mentally
Huh?
retarded.
I don't have it.
Of course
You don't
not.
have it.
Of course not.
I don't have it. I have a tool.
You are a
Sure that you're much
That's me.
Hey, do you guys have this?
Oh my God! Michigan!
I'm just thinking.
Guest visitor.
Welcome to our chop shop.
100 G's. Saving all that love for someone who's loving me.
Tyler, I see a teacher in music.
Oh yeah.
Like,
That stepbrother scene.
If you're a musician,
Stand just a little too close.
if you're a musician,
Stare just a little too long. Let's give them something to talk about. Talk about love, blue, love,
he makes the TV. I have been sitting here on, like, because it's like weird.
cheering. And the crowd goes wild. Yeah.
I feel like I'm missing screws.
Oh, you're probably. They borrowed some of our shoes. I said it was okay.
Aw, screw.
Where's the screwdriver?
Somebody took it.
I'm gonna need that when you're done. So I can get
Won't need that when you're done.
You're done.
Won't need that when you're done. You're done.
fun over
Everyone's having fun now. Last class was boring because we didn't have a video.
Hey, where's the hairdresser? We need to attach it.
Oh, he's going through it. I don't know. Oh, back the other. Oh. Oh, Preston's walking on the ceiling.
You're upside down. How do you do it? We turned the gravity on.
Oh, gravity.
Y'all get out of here in about 12 minutes.
Wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it up, wrap it. Under pressure, pushing down on me, pushing down on you.
No man I score. Several days down the road.
Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. I sit back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flows like a harpoon daily and nightly. Whatever stop, yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I glow.
Okay, I don't know what screws go there now.
To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and wax a chump like a candle. Dance. Have a speak of that boom. Killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom.
Oh, okay, I know why this, I've been having a little while with screws on here. What I do.
Wrong one.
Nathan, just remember, if you screw this up, we're doing it for everybody.
No, if he screws this up properly, it'll be all great.
Screws it up right. Alright.
Well, you gotta screw it in. I know. You got that clever head up here.
Need to find the screws.
Very punny. Double entendre. Those first poems that we read for Larson's class were the best.
Oh, yes, those were so fun.
The Anglo-Saxon riddles.
Did y'all do this? Is that how it came?
Do what? Well, you see, I have no idea.
Well, no. I guess it's not supposed to be. It's not actually attached to me. Just in here. So they're
Because theirs is actually attached.
Actually, I think these ropes or something like it hooks in, like there's these funky little lever thingies.
That probably
Hooks in right there.
Get that started, man.
What's this?
That
is. What's the purpose, rather?
Well, to get oil into the engine.
Do we have oil?
Not today. Most of y'all aren't going to be far enough along to do anything.
Anchor.
We'll have one more day at this, but not.
That begins with the letter A.
Should be. Oh, I said it.
Yeah, it begins with.
Sorry, I had a dyslexic moment there.
Everyone knows begins with G.
That should be R. If you're dyslexic.
It would be any random order.
Anger starts with A.
What a dork. Anger.
My dyslexia.
Anger.
It's a real disease.
2:20, let me start wrapping it up.
He has dyslexia.
Oh, time flies when you're having fun.
We get to do this next class.
It won't be next class. We gotta continue on with our notes. We gotta finish at least.
Yay, notes.
Hold on, say it.
I love Newton's laws.
Oh yes, before you leave today, I want you to turn in those 2 homework problems y'all did.
Oh, I wasn't here. I wasn't here.
Yeah. It was like 2 really easy problems.
I completely forgot it.
66 2, I think it was.
Okay, where did my ground go?
3. I can look it up when we get back to class.
Okay, this is like some Inception stuff going on right now.
Where did I put this room? This isn't reality. The dream is falling apart.
Oh, okay, I know where it goes.
You put it in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth.
This right here is my pretty boy.
Hey, don't forget to put your. Oh, yeah, dude. The throttle. The chain linkage.
Where's it?
Maybe for extra credit.
Alright, here, just like. Oh my god, okay.
That could be an issue.
He's like, he completely forgot.
That's not a vital purpose.
It's my unicorn. Throw it away. No, don't throw it away. It will start without it.
Okay, I can take it off. Wait, where's my screwdriver?
Take it all off.
Alright.
Screw it, we're putting it back in the box. Just remember, we forgot the throttle linkage.
Box.
Hey, this is the throttle linkage. Throttle.
You guys aren't doing anything. Anger.
Peace
Yeah,
out.
this is exactly why you forgot the throttle.
That should be fucking